All right, we are live. So today, Grayson, your face, dude. Today we're thinking about building a game, and what kind of game should we build, boys? What are you thinking?
Well, can you share your screen too?
Oh, well, yeah. Here, let's share screen. Oh, here we go. How's that?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, so what kind of game should we build?
How about we do a mix?
No,
So,
chess.
so you can choose for like tic-tac-toe games.
Chess,
And so we
tic-tac-toe.
Chess, tic-tac-toe, and checkers.
Checkers.
I want another.
And
What about
all
What about Hangman?
Hangman? Yeah.
Yeah. What about Skippo?
Skippo. We could put all of those in one.
How about what else?
That doesn't.
What other ideas do you have?
Wait,
I know it says it's wrong. Oh,
Skippo.
oh, skip space bow. Okay.
Yeah,
What
that's
about
it.
Mamacita? You got any recommendations? Any game suggestions?
Hey,
game
guys,
requests?
what's it called again? Yahtzee.
Yahtzee. Okay, that one's kind of fun.
I
How
really
about
like.
villainous?
How do you spell Yahtzee? That?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yahtzee. Okay.
Yahtzee.
Yahtzee, villainous.
Yeah, villainous.
Villainous. Ooh, we've got someone's commenting. Twitchard says Yahtzee. Richard votes Yahtzee. Thanks for hanging out, Richard. What other games? What do you think?
Oh, I know one.
I have
What?
a question to Kira.
What about match?
Match?
No.
We already did a matching game.
Oh yeah. But let me think of one real quick. I always play.
Well, I mean, we did connect.
Shut the box.
Shut the box.
Shut the box.
Okay, how about the other one was what's another game that we've been playing a lot? Connect 4.
Connect 4.
It's two.
Okay.
Number 4.
All right, so we've got one vote for Yahtzee from Richard.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's tally this up. Okay.
One.
What other votes we got here? What other votes? Anyone else in the comments?
Anyone
You want
else?
to drop in a request?
For
Chess,
one of these
tic-tac-toe, checker. So we've already built tic-tac-toe, but we didn't stream it. So we could rebuild tic-tac-toe, but
games. Yeah, but that one's Pokemon.
it was a Pokemon tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, it's,
How about Minecraft tic-tac-toe?
Minecraft tic-tac-toe?
That'd be cool.
Okay.
No, I don't think we should theme it this time.
No theme. Okay. What about checkers, Hangman, Skippo, Yahtzee?
Shoot the box. Connect 4.
Anyone Connect 4. Anyone Yahtzee. Anyone
If
Skippo.
I was voting,
All right, Grayson,
would
what's your
choose-
vote? What's your vote?
Chess.
Chess. Okay, we got one vote for chess.
Can I choose 2 or no? Because I also want to do. Who's villainous?
Okay, yes, you get to choose 2. I took off villainous. You want villainous?
Yeah, I really want villainous. Villainous.
Is that how you spell it? Villainous.
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 Yeah.
All right, that's the one.
Oh,
That's
look,
the-
see Marvel.
That's the
Ooh,
villainous
Marvel
thing.
villainous.
Yeah,
Nice.
That's
Okay.
the villainous we've
All right, so
always
we've got one vote for villainous. What about you, Logan? You get 2 votes.
So let's stack that Yahtzee to 2 since I want Yahtzee.
Ooh, 2 votes for Yahtzee.
Okay.
Okay. All right, 2 votes for Yahtzee. I kind of want Hangman. All right, Logan, you get another vote. What's your other vote?
I think checkers.
Checkers. Okay. 1 for checkers. All right. Any other comments? We've got
the top
3
one isn't
viewers right
even.
now. The top one is not even. You're right, but this is not a monospace font, so it's not ever going to be perfect unless we put it in like a table.
Table.
Should we insert a table? You can say insert and then go to table and then say, all right, let's say 10 rows. And oh gosh, it ruined all of our stuff. Okay. All right, so it looks like Yahtzee might be the winner here. How would we build Yahtzee?
Actually, no. Let's wait for other people to come in. Since it looks like we have 1 viewer.
We have 2 viewers right now, 2 live viewers. Hard to say. At least one of them might be Twitchard or Richard. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it looks like they're both from Periscope. So if you're on Twitter and you're watching and you have a preference of what game you want us to build, let us know.
Actually, on anything, just let us know on anything.
Yeah.
Facebook,
Okay.
YouTube.
Do you guys know what the game Hangman? How to play Hangman?
No,
Yeah.
I'm
That's
not
it.
playing.
Okay.
You have to like guess the.
So
someone
the way
thinks
that
of a word and
yeah, so if you think of a word and you're like, my word has 5 letters, and then you get to try to pick a letter. So what letter do you think?
A,
A. Okay, so this one is A.
R,
R. There's no R. So then, if you get a letter wrong, then if there's like a little guy and he has a head, and he has like 2 arms and a body, and then he has like 2 legs. Then when you
that's a good one.
when you get a letter wrong, like R, then one of his legs comes off or something, and then like if you get it, okay, so guess another letter.
Oh yeah, like I knew that. I knew that game.
Oh, you know that game. Okay.
There's a man.
Yeah.
I'll guess a letter. How about
Or no, it's the opposite way. You draw the like platform or whatever. And after you've drawn the platform.
I know how to play that. I remember how to play now.
Okay. All right. So what?
When you said the little guy,
Yeah.
then I remembered it.
Okay. So what do you want to play? Or what do you want to build?
Well, I think we should do a mix and
A mix. Okay.
like so with Skippo definitely. Yahtzee.
I kind of make a game of chess and checkers. Like you can choose the chess button or the checkers button.
Okay.
And you'll be blasted into the game.
So chess and checkers are pretty complicated, but we can do it.
Yeah, but like Hangman is easy.
Yeah.
Yahtzee, I think is you just have to click his eyes and then flips to ordinary.
Okay, I think Hangman might be kind of fun because
how
we could
about
have
Farkle?
it. Huh?
Farkle.
Farkle. Okay.
That's a
Farkle.
game.
Yeah. Farkle. Another game is Rummy Cube. I think that's how you spell it. Yeah, Rummy Cube. Cool. So why don't we do Hangman? I think Hangman would be a good easy one to start with.
Sure.
And then we can build
I
up
vote
from there.
anything.
Yeah, so we can.
What do you think? Hangman?
Yeah.
Hangman?
Like,
Okay.
Which
All
one
right.
does?
So-
Actually, no. Wait. So
What?
I think I like tic-tac-toe and chess.
Pokemon themed Hangman, Richard says.
What?
Ooh.
Pokemon themed. Just like look at
What do you think?
Blast. Bam.
Okay. All right, let's do it. We're going to make Pokemon themed Hangman.
Hangman.
Okay.
All
right.
Pokemon.
So,
themed.
what are we going to build this with?
How
How should we build it?
about it's
No, how about we do what I did last time? The Rails.
You want to use Ruby on Rails?
Ruby on Rails, maybe.
Okay. What about you, Grayson?
how about we use pretty much all the code.
Pretty much all the code. All right,
No,
so we're going to
no,
use
Oh yeah.
let's use Ruby on Rails. Then we can write a little bit of Ruby, a little bit of JavaScript. Okay.
And I know what you mean by Pokemon themed Hangman.
What?
The man is a Pokemon.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah.
But you can choose the Pokemon.
Okay. All right. So let's try it. So Rails new Pokemon Hangman. We'll make a database Postgres QL and skip turbo links. Nobody needs turbo links, right?
What is Turbo?
Yeah, I don't even know. It's like some fancy JavaScript thing to make your page load faster when you do like a fully rendered app. Okay, so we're firing it up. We're going to make a new instance of a Rails application. And what are we going to need inside of our Rails app for Hangman? I think we kind of might need words. I think it might also be fun to play this game with your spelling words or something like that. Like we could enter in a certain like library of words that you know.
Oh, look it. It's a package truck fetching back.
Yeah. What if we do like third grade word list? Let's see if we can get like a text file of third grade words. Or should we do more like higher than third grade?
Whoa, clown.
Like you guys know third grade stuff, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
I know
what grade are you? What grade are you in?
Third grade spelling.
Third grade spelling.
Hey, there's IXL.
Whoa! Oh, that's an advertisement right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm thinking we do Hangman, and then we feed it. We can feed it a library, and then maybe we can say like play Hangman with first grade words or play Hangman with second grade words.
Dude,
And
that'd
then-
be
No,
awesome.
Would it be
Hey,
awesome?
No.
All right.
How about there's a few pages. One day you pick what your guy is.
Uh-huh.
What your guy's gonna be.
Okay.
And don't we also pick
What?
first grade, second grade, third grade,
Okay.
or
Cool.
fourth grade?
All right. So we need something. All right. Rails is done installing itself.
Okay, piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Oh, that point thing, you know, that thing before the cake.
This thingy.
That emoji.
Yeah.
It's actually on Zoom.
It's on Zoom. You're right. It means like celebrate or something. Okay. All right. So we're cracking open Rails. Oh, we don't have our database yet. So let's see. Rake db create db migrate. That'll create a database for us, even though we don't have any data to put in there yet. It's kind of a weird limitation of Rails is you have to have a database created. All right. Yay. You're on Rails. So why don't we make a model for a game. And what does the game have? The game has like, what are some things we can pick about the game? It should have like a word list ID. That's going to be an integer, which references the word list.
How about we need I kind of want to choose a loading screen from Pokemon. Wait,
A Pokemon loading screen?
Wait, can we go back to how do I get out of this thing?
Where do you want to go?
Command.
To here?
Yeah. You can actually where is it?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to show you something. Oh, it's this. Insert image, search the web. And I want can I
What do you want me to type?
Pokemon loading.
No. Pokemon no. Let's go Pikachu loading screen. Let's go Pikachu loading screen.
Pikachu!
Pikachu.
Loading screen.
Let's go Pikachu. Oh.
We might need to make one. I think we need to make
I want
one.
a Pokemon.
A Pokeball. A Pokeball loading screen. But we have okay.
That's like a Pokeball. That's like a Pokeball shaking.
Okay. All right. So we have our game, and like we want to. Do we want to pick?
I know Pokemon loading screen means like. Well, I want for the loading game as a Pokeball shaking.
Yeah. Okay. What if the game has a word, a chosen word, right?
Chosen word, yeah.
Or that's a secret word, right? It has a secret word, and that's a string. All right, let's start with that. Okay, and then let's make a word list, a model for a word list.
No license field. Whoa.
No license field. Oh gosh, somewhere there's a package JSON with no license field. Oh no. It's fine. Rails G model word list. And this is just going to be like the name. So we might call it like second grade words or first grade words. And then I think we need to have the list of words. So in Rails and Postgres, can we have an array of strings, a field with an array of strings? Rails, I think we can. Are we taking a shortcut here? Squares. No. Okay. That's Postgres. Okay. Here's some more Postgres stuff. We want to know if we can use this, if we can use an array column for
Array.
Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So we can have an array of strings. Cool. Sweet. All right. So yeah. All right. So then we'll just say words is an array of string. Maybe that works. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So we want to make sure that our migration is working correctly. And yeah, array of words. Cool. And these are,
Oh wait.
no, this is string, t.string.
Oh. See?
Yeah, single string, comma delimited. We could do that too. Yeah. Array true. Nice. Okay. All right. So we have the name. The name is going to be like first grade, second grade. The words are going to be all the words. This is a word list. All right. Rake, DB, migrate. Rake, DB, migrate. Okay. Now we need to have like a way to make a new game and to like view
no
a game.
field again.
I know we're going to keep getting that warning. That's all right. I'm just going to ignore it. Can you ignore it safely?
No.
I know you're a rule follower.
I'm a rule follower.
You are a rule follower. Okay, that's great. Okay, Rails G controller. If we want to generate a new controller, this is going to be the thing that handles the requests for certain pages, because we want to make a page for like showing all the games we played, and then a page for making a new game, and then a page for like playing the game, right? So maybe we should have like a games controller. It'll have like an index, a show, a new, an edit, and that should help a lot. Okay, so we need some routes. So we'll use resources. Okay, games controller. In the index, we'll have like all the games. In the show, we'll have like game, the single game for that page.
And the camera's moving. It only shows it's showing half of me.
It's only showing half of you. Okay, let's see if we go. Okay, yeah, you're looking good, dude. Yeah, you're in screen. You're in screen.
No, look.
All right.
I sit in the middle, and then it sheds my head off. If I sit in the middle of my chair, I shed my head.
So the new route. This is where we're gonna get the form to create a new game, and then the create route is where we're gonna actually create the game. So game. The ones that start with an @ sign. This is Ruby. We're writing Ruby code. The @ sign means that it's a special kind of variable called an instance variable. So here I'm going to say game.new. That's going to create an instance of a game, but not save it. And then in Rails, they have this style where you write a method called something underscore params. So in this case, it's going to be game params. And in here, we access the params object, and we say require game, and then permit the word list ID and the name, I think, right? Bundle exec annotate. Oh gosh, gem file. Okay, down at the bottom, gem annotate, bundle install. We're gonna pull down these gems. Gems are like libraries full of other people's code that we can use. All right, so back in the games, what was it? Game.rb. Okay, I wanted to do bundle exec annotate because I'm hoping that it'll put comments in this for me. Oh, you know what I need to do? What? I need to tell it to annotate the models, I think. Yeah. Annotate models, I think. So annotate, do you know what annotate means?
No. Annotate means change or something?
Annotate means like write some information about and like add a note to, kind of like you want to add a note to a thing. So it annotated 2 models. So this model is a Ruby file, or it's a Ruby file that has a class in it. And this is another Ruby file that has a class in it. We want to say load. And what that did is it added all these comments to the top that tell us how we can start the game. Okay. So in our games controller, we don't want to be able to take in the secret word because we want the secret word to be created for us. So from the game class, maybe we have like, when the game is created, we can have it, find a word from the word list. So a game belongs to a word list. Okay, so it's related to a word list. And then
make sure then it doesn't show the word list. It doesn't show the secret word.
Yeah, we want to make sure it doesn't ever share the secret word, right? Okay, so on create. So maybe we say like before, or no. What is the, yeah, we want to like an action. Rails model before create or something, before save. Before validation on create. Here we go. Before validation on create, we want it to set a new self.secret word is equal to word list words.
Wait, how are we gonna get switch a word every time?
Could you check that?
Um,
See what's happening with something?
go check. Okay. Well, we haven't actually done anything.
Hey! No string comment. Fine.
Yeah, delimited. Okay, so let's try to make a word list here, and then we'll. Okay, so then yeah, so let's go like this. So we can do this thing called Rails C, Rails console. Rails C. This will open up a Rails console that allows us to kind of poke around in here. So we can say word list
Bend over
new, and its name is going to be like test or something, or like my first word list. And then the words are going to be, I think we can pass an array here. And let's make the word the and. What other simple words?
Girl.
Boy, girl, the, and fish. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Well, hold on. Yeah, I don't actually know how to spell that. Is that spelled right?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. All right, so we're saving an instance of this word list object into WL. Then we can say WL.save. And then look at that. This inserted it into the database. Bless you. This inserted it into the database. So now if we say word list.all, we have a word list in there. It's called my first word list, and it has just some simple words.
Look at it. Look at it.
Can we look at it over here? Oh yeah. So let's see. It still doesn't show anything. /games. This should pull back all the games, but we haven't even created a game yet. So, Richard says dog. We need to add to our word list. Word list.first.words plus equals dog.
Hey, right there. It's right there.
Then cat.
If there's dogs and cats. And wolf.
WL.words. WL.words plus equals dog. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
And cat.
Okay, WL.save, bang. Hey, all right, now we've got dog. We've got dog. Okay, so WL.words. All right, so we've got the and boy, girl, fish, crocodile, dog. That's a good list to start with. Okay, so now games right now doesn't show us anything up here. And our word list is here. So let's make a new game.
It says games.
It says games. What should we rename it to? Let's go edit this HTML.
HTML.
Who knows HTML?
Me.
I
don't know that much about HTML, but I want to learn about it. We don't, and I don't think we're gonna be doing any of this in most of creating my coding with you, Daddy, since the code is Python, which Grace and me do not know.
You don't know Python?
I don't know so much Python.
You don't know so much, just like a little bit?
I just know a little bit Python. Not
Okay.
so much Python.
Okay. So we need to make a list of things. So we want to use a UL. Okay, and then each thing in the list is a...
Well, Dad, this thing's red.
That's okay.
Why?
It's because it doesn't know that we're working on like just part of the page. So like this part works with the layout. So the layout here has like all the other HTML, and then our HTML that we're writing over here is going to be copied and pasted basically into where this yield is. So my editor doesn't know that this is totally fine, valid HTML. Okay. So that's why it's red. Good find though.
Well,
Good
then
eye.
You can like make else. Okay?
Yeah. So how do we make the items in the list?
So you make those arrows and put an L in the middle.
An L in the middle, just like that.
And no, not then.
Not done.
You got a lie, yeah.
Okay.
And then you make the same lie.
Okay. So then maybe we should make like at games.each do game. Okay. This is Ruby code. Because we're in an html.erb file, we can write embedded Ruby. That means that we can write our own Ruby right in here. Let's say we have a link to game dot, or let's say like game, and then just like the ID of the game, game.id.
Yeah, but I haven't seen anything play on my GitHub thingy. Has anyone at all played on my GitHub account?
I don't think so.
Games.
Okay, so there's no, yeah, there we go. And there's like,
How about, can we change it from games to Hangman?
oh, there we go. Yeah. Pokemon Hangman. Okay.
Pokemon Hangman. Why is I saw that game symbol that was and then I knew where to write the code.
All right. So let's make a button. Should we make a button so that we can add a new game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some people can have their own game or whatever.
New game. New game path. Boom. All right. So now if we click on this, all right, now we got to make the form for creating a new game. So if we go to games new, okay, so like, let's say create a new Pokemon Hangman game. All right. So now we need to write the form for our game.
Press start. So
Press start, huh?
Yeah, because we can make a button that says start.
Okay, I like that. Cool.
Oh,
So our button can say
No,
start.
how about instead of that link, how about that link? Remember the link?
Yeah.
How about we change that? Like, how about we put a shield over it that says start, and then you click the thing that says start. Under it is the thing, so it clicks the thing. So it clicks the button.
Okay.
Oh, good. We could also do someone's already playing a game. You could hop in so you can make a word.
Oh, you want to play against someone else?
You could play
Interesting.
against someone else.
Okay, so all right, this is good. So like against someone else. Or so we want the button to say start. We might want to be able to play against someone else. We might want to be able to let the computer pick the word. So what else might we need here?
We need an if-else statement.
An if-else statement. I like if-else.
If no one's playing, play against the computer. Else, play against someone.
Okay, so we might have a new concept we need to add to our game, and that is like how many players.
There can only
So
there can only be 2 players.
okay, so we know that we want our button to say start game, right? And we know that we might want to ask if it's 2 players. So maybe we should have like we should have a question that's like, is it 1 player or 2 players?
2 players.
So should we add that as a question? How many players? Like that. And then we can have what kind of thing should the form have on it? Should it just be like a thing like this where you can type in like anything?
No.
What should it do?
Only numbers.
Only numbers. That's good. But should you be able to put in like 10?
Yes. No.
10 player? Because you can't really play Hangman with 10 players, right?
Yeah, how about we
Except in binary, maybe.
How about delete the 0 and try to make a code that they can only type in 1 number, so I can like only 5.
Okay. Okay.
All
right,
only
so
go up to 9 players.
Do you think maybe we should use radio buttons?
Maybe.
What does radio mean?
Yeah.
See, like this. So then they have to like pick. So then if we say radio with the name,
it can do
is like game
2 players.
or like
One player, 2 player.
number of players or player count. Humans versus computers. Humans. How many human players? How many human players? Human num humans.
Numb humans?
Like the number of humans, right?
Oh, to take off?
Yeah, and so the value would be like 0, 1, or 2. So how many human players? Let's see. How many human players? Oh, our labels. We lost our labels. Label for 0. Label for 1. The ID on the input control has to match the 4 attribute. 2. Okay, so 0. So we just put the number 0, 1, and 2 inside of those labels. ID 2. Okay, so if we refresh, now he says how many players? 0, 1, or 2.
Oh, it switches.
Yeah, so this makes it mutually exclusive. That means you can't pick more than one. Oh, but you know what? When we refresh the page, we should probably have some default number of players. So what I'm thinking is that by default, we should probably always...
Hey, let's do something. So if they say 2 players and
Yeah.
another player is trying to get in, it should not let them in.
Yeah, okay. So what I'm kind of thinking is that we want to add num humans to our game, and then we want to set a default to 1.
Num Pokemon.
Num
'Cause it is
Pokemon? Okay, sure.
Num Pokemon.
Wait. Well, no, because that's like, we're going to do like human versus computer. And then
Oh.
Pokemon is always going to be like the thing that gets...
Num
Num is like the number of humans.
Oh.
So either 0 humans play, and it's going to be like computer versus computer, and the computer tries to guess, and the computer tries to play. And then if it's one human, then the computer thinks of the secret word. And if it's 2 humans, then one of the humans thinks of the secret word, and the other human types it in. Okay?
Okay, but
Rails G migration, add num humans to game. Num humans is an integer with a default. So we want to set the default, I think, to 1. So that's like, by default, it's 1 person playing against the computer. Migration, add num humor. Okay, so then default is 1.
And then when they can go back in this code and delete Hangman and put game, then you have, and then there's a page before this that says effect hey.
So then I think like every time we come in here, we want to use
I know something. How about this? So we can turn this into a multiple game. Don't know how?
how?
We could go back into my Pokemon one, highlight all of that code and even the spaces, and then do it again in here, and then make 2 pages.
will the
And then
start
that'd
game
be
button work
easy.
even?
The start game button will not work yet. Is there anything else we need from them when they start playing though?
They need to see what the words you could choose from.
No,
Yes.
no, the computer chooses the word for you.
I know, but what if it's against the human?
Okay, good. So we probably need like some way for
The computer puts the word if it's
yeah, like let's see, we need to pick a word list, right? But I think for the word list, we want just like a drop-down list of all the possible words.
It's
word lists.
not word list. It's on WL. Remember WL?
Well, that was just the name of the variable. At word lists each do word list. We need an instance variable with all the word lists, and then we should probably sort it too.
By color.
By color?
No, by how about we do Hey Dad, we should do a button that you can choose what grades. Like we can do like babies. And we should make this also for babies. Don't know why. We should make this safe for kids so babies can go on, and then they can pick, and then they can put the right one. And then guess what?
What?
It doesn't show words. It shows pictures, like a doggy picture.
Oh, interesting. Is that like if you win, you get a doggy picture? Is that what you said?
No, like if you win, there's a Pikachu. There's a Pikachu and there's a Pikachu in front.
Oh.
Like you unleash the Pokemon. Oh, but if you lost a little bit, that's what the Pikachu looks like.
Pika.
If he's the laser gun.
Pika. He's feel like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. All right, so we've got our new form, and it does have the word list. It has my first word list. That's pretty cool. And we can pick how many players we want. If we click start game, hey, it created a game. That's cool. So let's go back in the console and say Rails C and see. Let's take a peek and see what the secret word is. Game dot first. All right. Oh, the secret word is and. The secret word is and. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Okay.
Yeah,
How do we type it in?
No, how about we go out? How about we go out and then redo and see if it changes?
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Good
And we
idea.
don't
Let's make
need to-
another game. What were you going to say, Grayson?
We also need to make changes in the start game. Start game.
Start game. All right. Let's see. Game dot last. Oh, the secret word is the same. Oh, no. All right. Let's try again. Let's try again. Is it gonna? What is it? What do you think it's gonna do?
You just press the arrow.
Start game. All right. Game dot last dot dog. All right. We've got secret words that are generating. Oh gosh. All right.
It's supposed
So
to do the same, so it tricks you.
it did. Well, it's going to be random, but our list isn't very long, so it randomly picked and twice in a row, which is totally fine. What are the chances that it picked twice in a row the same word out of 7 words? Okay. All right. So we've got a game. It's set up. Now we need like a way to play the game, right?
Yeah.
And we also kind of need like turns maybe, and to track the letters that were entered.
Hey, I need something.
What?
Watch. So we need
We
a
need to do
filter that's like button, and then it's like remember those graphs, like graphs?
Uh-huh.
We need like a graph.
A graph?
Like something that has
graph of letters.
boxes that has boxes, and then you have to choose the letters.
Okay.
And spell it.
Okay.
I was thinking of something like that, but you have a graph
Uh-huh.
and there's buttons, and under the buttons there's every letter of the alphabet.
Oh, you want to
But-
be able to like push a button?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what if we just start with like we need to start with like, why don't we just start by printing the secret word on the screen? Even though this isn't going to be like real, at least we know what the secret word is, and then when we're done working with it, we can like hide the secret word, right? Just for like, so that we know what it is. All right, so now we need a couple of more things. We need
We need to make the picture.
the picture. Yes, we need to make some sort of picture
Well,
of.
we need someone to choose the picture.
So Pokemon, let's try to find. I was thinking that maybe we should try to find like,
Pikachu.
should we go to the Pokedex? Like, are we gonna hang Pikachu if you lose? Is that because Pikachu is like the best friend, right? Okay, so sure, let's hang
Wait,
Pikachu.
Can you see that Pikachu go up?
Where?
That picture?
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah, let's go Pikachu.
Yeah, like
Okay.
when you're both through a
Okay, but we need one that's kind of like this, so that we can like chop off parts of the body, so that you have like multiple chances.
Oh wait, let's see. Let's see if there's female, blue. They actually have a lot of types. Charizard.
Charizard. Ooh, Charizard would be epic. Let's do Charizard. All right, hold on. Let's try to find a
No, how about there's like how about you can choose Charizard?
Well, how about you can choose
Mega Charizard? There he is.
this one.
No, that's Mega Charizard.
Mega Charizard.
Yeah, he's blue and black.
I think that might be the one. What do you think, Grayson?
Yeah, it's got it.
It's got to.
How about people can choose what Pokemon they want?
Well, I
might
like that idea. Yeah, I like that idea.
But it might be
Okay.
a little hard.
Okay.
That's
Look at
fair.
that Charizard battle. I
Okay.
choose Charizard.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, it's
Okay. So should we make it so that if you lose, then the Pokemon like comes all the way alive, or should we be hanging them?
Oh, I think I want to put a cutscene of it. Look at it attack you.
Okay. What is like a really bad guy in Pokemon?
I know. The Team Rocket. Team Rocket.
Yeah, Team Rocket.
Ooh.
Yeah. Team.
Okay, I'm kind of wondering if you get the number, like, let's see, how many moves in Hangman? 11 moves. Okay, so we need 11 pieces of how many? Okay, let's see. I wonder if we have it so that like
Pikachu. Pikachu's a good one for 11 pieces.
Pikachu is?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Well, I'm thinking if we do the bad guy, and then like once all the bad guys are there, you lose. Because you don't want it to show up. But if we do Pikachu, then we want to like hang Pikachu or something.
Oh, Meowth.
Where?
Meowth is the Team Rocket Pokemon.
This thing?
Yeah, that's Meowth. See, look at
Okay.
right there, Meowth. In the
Pokemon bad guys. Okay, so should we go to the Pokedex? Pokemon API. Let's go check out the Pokemon API. Does this tell you, like, does the data here tell you if it's a bad guy or not? Let's check out the documentation. Let's look at the docs. So in the docs page, we have berries. What is that?
berries.
Pokemon. Okay.
Berries are what Pokemon eat to get their powers.
Okay, so in the Pokemon API, we're okay, no, go all the way to the bottom.
Oh, can we get Pokemon theme? Can we get Pokemon theme music?
Pokemon
Theme music, like that's Pokemon theme music in the background for the whole entire time.
Uh-huh.
No.
Well, hold on. Okay. So is Pokemon theme music? I don't know about that. Does it have them? Is that free use? There's no way.
Yeah, there is Pokemon theme music.
Okay.
Got to.
Okay. Here we go. Butterfree. What do we know about Butterfree?
Butterfree.
We know his size, his weight, his experience,
He's gigantic.
game indices,
He's a
held
bear.
items, his moves, his species, his
He's a bucket.
stats, his types.
Oh, he's really strong.
He's really strong? Okay. Let's see the pictures.
Shiny female, default female, shiny female.
Yeah, which one? Let's
do-
see. Aw. Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
All right. Oh, those are sprites. All right. Where's just the normal picture of him? Abilities, forms, moves, species. I thought we were going to have like bad guys. Species.
No, because it doesn't show Team Rocket.
Oh, wait. I have an idea. What if we just make it so that once there's 11 Pokemon on the screen, you lose, and then we can just randomly generate Pokemon, and then every time you get a letter wrong, you get to see a different Pokemon. What do you think?
Like from last time,
No.
if you
I
get
think they just lose parts of your body, but we can make an effect that it wiggles off their body and falls.
we make a fix that wiggle fall off.
Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's make it so that we randomly.
Go back on Google. Go back on Google. I have something
What are you gonna search?
like So we do Pikachu leg, and then we like print 2 legs, but them backwards, and then
Pikachu legs. This doesn't make any sense.
Pikachu legs. No,
Doesn't make any sense.
Pikachu legs.
Okay.
legs, and then oh hey.
All right.
okay,
No, this is what I want to do. I want to make it so that as you miss points, we just put more Pokemon.
Hey, no,
and
go
then
back, go back. I found
Look
something.
it's like a way to learn the
No,
Pokemon.
they want to get the Pokemon.
Oh, they do. Well, you want to try not to, because then you lose at the end.
Well,
Okay.
It would be better if we put bad guys.
Bad guys. I know. Okay, so is there like a bad guy API? Bad guy, comic, villain, API. Villain, what is this? Villain.js. A free open source web-based comic book reader. Villains and Heroes API. Is there a Marvel API?
I think so. Marvel API.
Marvel Developer Portal. Can we just get like the list of
Whoa.
villains?
We did Ultron.
Ultron. Okay, let's
He's
see.
the best.
Sign up and get an API key. Be a good citizen. Link back. Build cool stuff. All right, let's see if we can build a thing.
Oh,
Oh gosh, we need to create an account.
First name.
Holy moly. All right, hold on. Let's see here. Do. All right. Don't say it out loud. Don't say it out loud. We don't need to tell the internet these secret private matters about the account we're creating. Of course we want to receive promotional updates.
You do need that.
Huh?
Yeah. But why is it blocked?
Oh, cool. This is like part of ESPN Plus, apparently.
Oh, what?
What?
Apparently.
You want it? ESPN Plus.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. My addiction to UFC, watching the UFC, allows us to just log in. Okay. What do you guys think about this? The more you get wrong, the more Marvel villains appear.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like Pokemon.
It's just like, I don't know. Okay, so I guess it's not really. Oh, to attack the Pokemon. Yeah, okay.
The Marvel one attack the Pokemon.
Yes.
And then and then it hits on its leg, and then the leg.
Okay.
Poof!
Okay, we definitely have to stay true to form and at least put Pikachu. So this is going to be the picture of the thing.
Go back.
It's a picture of the thing you want to save. No, yeah.
no,
All right, this is the one. This is the one.
second
Save. Which one?
No.
This one. Swole Pikachu. Swole Pikachu. All right. Okay.
No, not Swole Pikachu. No, Swole
Oh my
Pikachu.
gosh.
Not
That's.
Swole
I don't.
Pikachu.
He doesn't look like he needs to be rescued at all. This little, like this sweet baby Pikachu, Bulbapedia. All right. So downloads Pikachu. No, actually, let's put it in here. In here.
No, how about Piki?
No, in new folder, games. All right, let's see. Piki. All right, sure. Piki. Oh no, WebP. Come on,
What?
WebP. Come on. We want like. All right. Is there like? There's some setting where we can find stuff that we're like allowed to use on the internet.
What does WebP mean?
WebP. It means that it's a different format that I don't like. Let's see. JPEG, sure. Piki.
No, that one looks helpless.
This one?
Yeah, it looks helpless.
Okay, he's definitely gonna get it. All right, this is cute. All right, let's use that. Piki.jpg. Okay, so on the game page, we're gonna drop in Pikachu. All right, so where are we at? So we want Pikachu to be here somewhere. So there's an image tag. Source is gonna be Piki2.jpg. I think, right? I think that's what we called it.
Okay,
Let's see.
Let's go.
Live games Piki2. Piki2. We're going to move that into the public directory so that we can see it. Oh, there we go. Awesome. So this is the guy that we're going to try to save. Okay. Or Piki. Could you do me a favor, son?
Yes.
And retrieve some more coffee?
Hey, can I have the mouse? We need a Marvel villain. We need Ultron.
I know. It says it's still trying to sign us in. Click here in 10 seconds if it doesn't get you there. All right. Ultron. All right. API. Yes, we read everything. We accept it. Oh gosh, API keys. Don't leak them. 3,000 calls per day. That's pretty cool. Authorized referrers. Okay, cool. All right, so we've got some API keys, and we're going to put those somewhere that no one can see, and then we are going to try to regenerate those if we need to. So I'm going to just say,
No, can we do?
oh, did you find some coffee?
No, Mom's kicking it.
Oh, thanks.
I don't want to miss it.
Oh, you don't want to miss a thing, huh?
Yeah, it was taking a minute to do
Okay,
that.
so we can do Rails credentials edit, and that allows us to set some secret API keys that no one will ever see. Oops.
Oh, how about you put like some?
So let's call it Marvel,
Marvel.
and then we're gonna say they give us a public key. Marvel public key, and then they also give us a private key, right? The ones that we just exposed when we showed everyone. And it doesn't look like there's a button to roll the keys, so please be nice. Don't use our API keys. Thank you. We also need to set a referrer. Any domains that are going to make calls to the Marvel Comics API using your API key, put it here, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I don't know. Let's say that we're going to post this on hangman.logi.rocks. Okay, update. All right. Error, please review. Okay, we're building a Hangman game to learn how to code, blah, 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 update. Error, please review to continue. Delete, add new referrer. All right. Let's see, using your API keys, gateway.marvel.com. Oh, and then you just plop your API key right in the URL. Okay. So is that a, no, that's not a real API key. All right. So what I want to do is let's try, okay, we can show everyone again what's going on here. Okay. All right. We can show how we might do this, I think. And it's not a huge deal if people use our credentials, I don't think. All right. So we're going to go to, we want to make a request to this thing with our API key and then some hash. The hash value is MD5 of 1. Huh? That's weird. Oh gosh, we have to like, okay. Are there client libraries for this? Marvel API client libraries, Ruby. Oh gosh, this would be, oh my, look at that. They have an API. Oh, sweet. Nice. We can just make, okay, this is going to be epic. This is going to be so cool. Okay. This is going to be fun. Oh, may I please have a refill? Thank you. Your mom's the best. Okay, comics, creators, events. Okay, so let's try to play around with the Marvel API. So we're going to make a new instance of a client. And how do we want to do this? Rails C. Actually, no, we need to open the gem file and then add this gem, Marvel API.
The Pikachu we think looks helpless.
He looks pretty helpless, yeah.
But,
I think.
No, this would make him more helpless. Put a rope on him.
No,
Put a rope on him.
Let's not put a rope.
You know what I mean by put a rope? Get a
No,
rope
let's not
to
do that.
put
Like,
on him.
no, let's not do that. I have a better thing.
Okay, so should we? Let's make an API for just fetching bad guys. So let's say Rails G controller villains. How do you spell villains? Villains. Rails G controller villains, and this will just return. We'll use the client and we'll just hit the API and it'll return some JSON with the villain data in it. I think maybe.
I know a lot of villains actually. I know Ultron. I know.
Let's do
Actually, I
Ultron.
forgot one. Well, Ultron. I know Mudok.
Okay, so let's make it a post endpoint, and then in here, when you send a post request, we create a new Marvel client, and then we generate a new bad guy.
Since we're using the Marvel, which is connected to ESPN.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, babe. Okay, so our API key is going to be in Rails.credentials. Rails.application.credentials.dig Marvel, and then oh no, I forgot what we called it. Was it public key, and then private key or secret key?
Private. It's private key.
Private key?
Yeah.
Oh golly, I think we have to go look over here and make sure we did that right. Okay. Confirm that we're using the right API keys. Okay, public key, private key. You're right. Okay, totally matches. Now we should be able to say, something like render JSON of @client dot. Oh gosh, we want characters, right? Starts with, okay. Let's see if in their documentation they let us pass in like bad guy. All right, let's see. Interactive, my developer account, how-tos, API results. Okay. Character, how to, entity types. Yeah, we want a character. Comics, we see the comics. That's cool. Series, stories, creators, characters. Okay. Oh no, they're not going to tell us who they are.
I know.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. We'll just hit the characters endpoint, and then whatever we get back, we'll just send that to the front. All right, so now we should be able to say something like send a post request to the villains route. Oh, we have to go add the routes, resources, villains. And then if we restart our server, we should be able to send a post request curl-x post to localhost 3000/villains and get back some villain data. Wah, wah, wah. What did we get? We got back. What is this? What is all this business?
We'll just see on the console what we got.
See in the console? Yeah, okay, let's go check the errors, you mean? Okay, we did get an error here. What did we get? The error says invalid authenticity token. Oh, geez. Okay, so that just means that we are protecting from CSRF here, which we probably do want. That's fine. All right. Actually, no. We don't care about CSRF.
CSRF, what's that?
Cross-site request forgery. Skip filter, protect. Oh gosh, I forget what it is. Rails skip CSRF. How do we turn it off? Protect from forgery, accept, create, skip before action, verify authenticity token. Here we go. Boom. All right, let's hit it again. Oh, data. Look at that beautiful data. All right, let's pipe it to JQ so we can actually read it. All right, look at this. So much data. Ajaxis.
Ajaxis?
I've never even heard of that character. Ajax.
Who's Mudak?
Mudak.
Iron Man, did you see Iron Man?
Ari Walker. There's Iron Man?
Yeah, there's
Hercules, Incredible Hulk, Matters of the Heart, Iron Man.
See Iron Man.
Okay.
Where's Ultron?
So this Airwalker. Okay, so it's giving us back.
Where's Ultron? We need Ultron.
Okay, so I think maybe we should just create a list. Should we create a list of bad guys that we know?
Yeah.
All right, let's just pipe to JQ. Dot All right, let's see. What are our keys here? What are our keys? Pipe to
really
JQ.
want it to be Ultron. I like Ultron.
Actually, let's pipe villains to villains.json.
I really want Ultron.
JQ.
Villains. Jason.
Okay. And then we want to see the keys. Okay, keys. So it gives us back 20 things. Is there a way we can pass the limit or offset here? Oh, limit 50. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that for sure. For sure. Characters. We want at least 50. Limit 50. And then instead of keys, we want like the first one and no, dot 0, dot square bracket 0. Oh, okay. And then what are the keys of this thing? So pipe keys. All right, comics, description, events,
ID.
name. All right, so let's do dot name. 3D man. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay, so it's definitely in alphabetical order, right? Okay.
Where's Ultron? I want Ultron.
Agent X.
AIM. I know AIM.
AIM? You know AIM?
Can I get a book for you?
Go get your comic book, sure.
It's from Iron Man.
Okay. Cool. Very cool, right?
Actually, can we look for Ultron? Can we see
Ultron?
that from here?
Okay, so since it's only giving us back create order by start date. Okay, creators. Okay, last name starts with Mo, limit, offset, creator, format. Okay, so I kind of wonder if we can figure out how to get a random person back from this. E-tags. Wow, e-tags. Sweet. Is there like random?
I found it. I found the book.
Ooh, nice. Okay.
Invasion of the Space Phantom from Iron Man. Let me find the.
Okay, so
It's
here's what
controlled by Mudok.
here's what I'm thinking, boys. I'm thinking that we should just pass in a random start letter, and then that should give us like somewhat random
Okay.
results back.
Where's the?
How many calls do we get per day?
Like 3,000.
3,000. Is it per day or per month or something? Get a key. I already have keys. Oh gosh, we got kicked out. We got kicked out again. All right. Well, let's start with that. So we want to pass in a name starts with. Name starts with. Yeah. Okay. So name starts with, and then we'll pass in a random letter. So here.
Name starts with A.
The AIM. AIM stands for Advanced Idea Mimics. Was a criminal organization that used science for evil. It was science that had transformed a lowly AIM agent named George Tartland into Mudok. He had then turned the tables on AIM using his super intelligent brain to think of the organization. Mudok's mind powers could be deadly, and everyone knew it. The AIM agents obeyed his every order. See, I'll show you a picture of Mudok. Where is? Well, can you just search on the web of Mudok? It's so crazy. I can't show you in a book.
Okay, so this will give us a random letter. A range, we're using the range operator here.
A to B. A to B.
A to Z.
A to B, I said. A to B.
Oh, A to B is just going to be just A and B. Then they would only start with A and B.
Here you go.
Yeah, because there's too many to
Here,
do A
here.
to Z. There's way
Picture
too much.
of Mudok.
Ooh, he looks like a bad guy.
He's a really bad guy.
Okay, cool.
Let's see if he'll get him out.
All right, so now at least we're getting random stuff back, and we'll get 100 characters. And then what I'm thinking is,
100 characters, that's too much to choose from.
I know, but then what if we say we'll get those 100 back, and then we can randomize those ones. So then we say like characters equals this thing, and then we can return or render JSON of characters dot sample. That way we just get a random character back.
Can we see the characters? Because I think we need 100 to see that.
Okay, so this one gave us back Zora's. This one gave us back. Ooh, what is the name here? Demo Goblin. The newest hobo goblin. Hobgoblin? Oh gosh. This is really poking holes in my Marvel knowledge. Okay, let's see. Pipe to jq.name. Let's see. So Deadpool, Quicksilver, Blue Shield, Deacon Frost. Okay, so do we get any pictures? That would be cool, right?
Them, I think.
All right, let's see.
Let's do more because I know one.
Oh, it looks like there's a thumbnail. There is a thumbnail. So where is the thumbnail?
Captain America.
Okay.
Avengers.
All right, hold on.
They do.
Gateway. This is a popular person. Who is this? Sharon Carter. Thumbnail. All right, are we going to be able to use this? I think we probably have to pass our API key to get the picture. Picture. Let's see. All right, so what is this thing again? So let's try just adding .jpeg at the end. Oh, it worked. Cool. Okay, so we can do that. We can totally do that. That's great.
But they just look like a villain.
It's not a villain. It's just going to be like 11. It'll just be 11 characters.
No, 11. I need over. I need villains.
They're just 11. We don't have time to categorize as villains, and it looks like they didn't categorize them. So, so what do we care about from? Yeah, let's just render the whole JSON back, and then we can use that from the game. All right. So what we're going to do is from our game. When we want to make a move, should we just type in a letter and then hit enter and make that be like our submission?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make a big fat input box here. So from games show, we need a big fat input box. So we're going to say a form moves. So we're going to create a move. Go. Or guess. Let's call it guess. Okay. And then we just need like one massive input box. Yes, letter. And we also probably want to pass the game. Yes, game ID. And its value is going to be the game's ID at game.id. Someone's here. All right, so now we have it.
Let's restart the entire game.
Okay, so now we need to put in a giant. Yeah, so let's make it huge.
Can we hide the word that's a secret word?
No, not yet.
Yeah, but let's test it out first though. Okay, and then we want to make this. We want to style this so like class is going to be like letter input. All right, let's go write some CSS. Okay. Oh boy. Assets, style sheets, application.css. Okay, so we want to say dot letter input, right? That's going to target our input box here. And let's open up our developer tools and try to make this input box like massive.
Failed to load something.
Yeah, that's okay. So our input is going to be like font size 4 EM. Okay, there we go. Is that big enough? Or 5? Should we go 5 EM? 5 EM is pretty big.
How about 4.5?
4.5. Okay, 4.5, 4.5 EM, 4.5. Okay, all right, and then we should make it smaller so you can really only type in like one letter, huh? T. Okay, is there? So how do we make it width? Is like
But
10
how do
px.
we make it if we get it wrong or something?
4.44 EM, 2 EM, 1 EM. Okay, 1 EM. Good. And then can we center text line center? Oh wow, it's looking pretty good. All right,
What
let's.
if you get it wrong and if you get it right?
If you get it wrong, that's a good question.
But let's just make a guess.
Oh, like right now, it doesn't actually do anything. We haven't created any actual stuff. D, guess. Wah wah. We need to make a controller for moves to start tracking each move for a game. Okay.
So like if it's right or if it's wrong.
Yeah. So we've got our input there. Let's put that at the top too. We can keep Pikachu hostage at the bottom of the page. Okay. All right. So we have this guess, right? I think that's a pretty nice color there. All right. So what we want to do is we want to say we're going to make a guess. Okay. And that's going to create a move for our game. So we need to make a move model, Rails G model move, and it's going to have a game ID, and it's going to have the letter, which is just going to be a single character. We can call it text and then verify later.
Can we do like a different thing than marbles, since marbles is super complicated?
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. We'll figure it out.
We don't need a bad guy.
Take a lunch break.
You want to take a lunch break? Not yet. Let's just keep going. We'll go fast. We'll make a moves controller, and all right. Move params. Params dot require move dot permit letter game ID. Okay. At move is move dot new move params. If at move dot save redirect to at game. Else
Hey, I
flash.
know rect. I know rect.
No.
Rect. Not redirect.
Flash dot now errors equals at move dot errors dot full messages. Run or flash, and then also redirect back to game. Okay. If we're not able to save the move for some reason, then we redirect back to the game. And then when we're creating the move, I'm wondering if this is where we should validate the move.
Well, actually, since the Pokemon, it is like two legs, and then a body, and then arms. How are we control them to fall apart?
I have some ideas. Okay, so we're going to create the move, and we want to make sure a couple things. Like when we create the move, when we save the move, all right, whatever. Let's just, oh gosh. Okay. All right. Bundle exec annotate models. Okay. Yeah, so when we create the move, we want to know, is the move correct or incorrect? And if it is, so it belongs to game. And game.rb has many moves now. Okay. And then we in the game, we want to like make a way to know like how many moves were correct correct moves.
Can you
Moves
type a
dot.
little faster?
As fast
Yeah.
as he did.
Okay, so like incorrect moves. The correct moves. We want to say moves dot all dot each, or moves dot where letter is in secret word dot split.
Who split it?
Otherwise, moves dot where not letters dot word. Okay, so let's see if this works. So for this game, right, we're going to create a guess. We know the word is dog, but let's guess the letter T. Okay, we forgot to add a route. Resources moves, right? Okay, move value is empty move. Okay, so game show. Game. Google. I'm not talking to you, Google.
Google.
Oh gosh. Game show. That's fun. Game show. Okay, so moves the guess. Oh, we called it a guess. Okay, we changed it to move. All right. All right. So we've got our game ID, we've got our letter, and then into our games controller has our our moves controller. Does this have letter and game ID? Yes, it does. So all right, let's try again. Let's go back, refresh, T, guess, redirect to @game, which is nil. Redirect to at move.game. Okay, so now we want to go see if we created a move. Game.last. Game.find3. G.moves. Okay, so we have one move. All right, now let's just see if our game correct moves, G.correct moves, as 0, and G.incorrect moves has Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. This is perfect. Okay. So great. I think we're on a good track here. Okay. Let's guess D. Guess. All right. Now if we say incorrect move still has that, G.correct moves has that. Okay, cool. So now in our database, we're creating moves. They're associated with the game. The game knows whether or not the move was correct or incorrect. And then what I think we want to do is
If it's incorrect, you should have to do it again.
Yeah, so that's what I think we want to do. So
if
game.
If it's correct, how about there's like 1 star and like a graph, and then if you get all of the letters done, the graph is filled with stars, blinking rainbow.
I love that idea. So what I was thinking is like if we have DOG, right? We should have a space, an empty space for D, O, and G. And if D was guessed, we should show D, and then we should show like where it is. And then where it's not, we should show just kind of like empty spots. But I think we need to go like at game.secret word.split. So we need to split it into like every character. Or every letter in the word. And then we want to say like if we need, I think we need an if else here. What do you think?
Else.
Okay.
If else.
What is the if going to be though?
If letter correct, do what you want to do.
Okay. So if
Yeah, exact opposite.
If game.correct moves pluck letter. Yeah, if game.correct moves pluck letter dot include letter letter else print underscore. You want to do that? Okay, look at that. We've got it. That's so cool. We see D and then blank and blank because we know that we haven't entered. Should we guess G?
Actually,
Should we just let's guess G and see if it shows up right there? Guess. Oh, we got it right. We got it right.
Let's guess E.
E. Okay, E. So that should show the Marvel character if we guess it wrong.
Yeah.
no, Apple doesn't.
Show
Hey,
a
well, that
random
is
Marvel
normal.
character.
We need to do something. Can you go back to the normal page? I want to show you something. Back to the normal page, please. So I can show you something.
Okay, hold on.
And then we gotta get rid of that secret word.
So we don't know, right?
Yeah, so we don't know the
Well,
word.
we want to be able to like build it, and then once it's built, then we can remove the secret word.
Hey,
Okay.
one thing. So, I just went to the normal
Okay,
page.
tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're
So,
thinking.
remember the big thing? We should make I don't think people will find the B thing, and then we should make that bigger and beside it. We should make that like that big, but beside it.
Beside it. Okay, beside it. I like that. Thankfully, I have an idea of how that might work.
But what if you guess it wrong?
Should we make it? How should we style this thing? Should we style it?
We missed out.
Like make it prettier? Maybe we should just
No,
yeah.
on
Let's
the
just put
back-
it. Let's
on
just
the
put it
back
next to
we
it.
should- On the background, we should put like a Pokemon grass place, or some like a mountains on the background and stuff. We should make a background photo. Background photo.
A background photo.
Yeah.
Logan change the subject.
That's how we should style it.
I can't remember what the difference is between inline and inline block. Okay, yes, CSS. Any CSS experts on the line? How do we make this float? Should we float it? Display block, display. I thought I just changed this. Did I not change it? Oh, ID. That should be class.
Any folks?
Class. Nope.
Actually,
Display inline.
We'll since people on Twitter and stuff, will it pop up there?
Huh? Display
It'll pop
inline.
up right there in that place right there.
Yeah.
The comments will pop up.
It should, yeah. Okay, cool. At least we're displaying inline block. Okay, so we've kind of got our columns here. We have a column that has the form. We have a column that has the answers.
Can you
So
type
I think you
faster?
want it to go on the other side, right? Okay. All right, so we've got our guesses. We've got our answer. We have our secret word, which we're going to hide. And then if we guess an O and we have all correct, we should have like some celebration or something, right?
How about we get more Pokemon out?
More
get
Pokemon?
A Jillian baby.
Okay, so now we need to figure out how we're going to deal with incorrect guesses. So I think we want to say something like at game dot incorrect moves dot each do move, and then maybe we should just print an X for now. Let's see. Okay, so we got 3 wrong. We know that is at least working to tell us that we got 3 wrong. But instead of showing X's, we want to show Marvel superheroes that are going to come and smash Pokemon, right? Or Pikachu.
Yeah, we want
Right?
superheroes. Bad guys.
Bad guys. Okay, and then I think maybe we should make Pikachu smaller and smaller and smaller or something. Like,
Until you can see him.
yeah. Okay, so and then let's go back to the game, and I think we want to say like game over. If
No, over. It just says over.
yeah, over is going to be incorrect moves.count is equal to 11.
We put 2 equals.
That's right. Yeah, equals. So if you're setting something, then you put 1 equals. But if you're comparing them, if you're saying like, are these 2 things equal? In programming, you use 2 equals or sometimes 3 equals, aka threequels. Yeah. So okay. So the game is over if all the moves are, or if we have 11 incorrect moves, or when could the game also be over?
Oh, I know why.
Why?
Pikachu is hidden.
Pikachu's hidden, or like how do we win Hangman? I think we won this one, right? Because we got all the letters right.
Yeah, but what do you
No,
say?
how about then it choose 10 more Pikachus of the same thing.
Correct moves. Okay, so let's say how do we figure out if all the letters are taken? So I think we want to like figure out how many unique letters are in the word. So secret word
Crocodile has
dot
9
split. Let's make a new thing here called letters, which is the secret word dot split. Because we're using that a lot of places. See, we're using secret word dot split, secret word dot split, secret word dot split. So instead, we can just say letters.
I need a lunch break.
You need a lunch break soon. Okay.
Soon. Oh, look at this.
Lol, threequels, yeah. Okay, so if the unique letters is equal to the correct moves dot count, then the game is also over. We should write some tests for this, but you guys want lunch, so we're not writing any tests. So then we want to say in the game show, then at the top, we'll say
After this,
if
can I
at
play,
game dot over.
After this, can I play the matching game? Matching
I
game?
want to play this actually.
Yeah, we can do that.
I can play this, and I can play the matching game.
Okay, so if the game is over, we want to show something at the top. If at game dot one something else.
No, and then no. If they won, it should say you won with Pikachu with the same Pikachu in front, and then it should say Pikachu, and then a voice says Pikachu.
A voice should say Pikachu?
Like
I like that.
A voice of Pikachu says Pikachu.
Okay, I love that idea. Should you record? You want to record it?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, you record the voice. Okay. You're gonna say Pikachu, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So file. Let's see. We're gonna use GarageBand. How do we use this thing?
This is gonna be ready.
File, new. No, we're gonna make a new one. Okay, new empty project. Choose. Okay. We're gonna use this microphone. Create. All right. Test. All right. Okay. So you're gonna say, "You win, Pikachu," or you're gonna say, "You win" as Pikachu's voice, and then say Pikachu as loud as you can. Okay, ready?
You win, Pikachu.
Okay, let's see. Let's test it out. Let's test it out.
Let's see.
Oh, we can't hear it. What the? Okay, hold on. Oh, you know what it is? The sound is coming out of some other place. All right, so let's see. Monitoring. Okay. Let's see.
Okay. Pikachu.
Hold on. All right, stop. Hold on.
Pikachu. No, I need to renew that.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, you test it out. Get real close to the mic. Okay, ready? Hold on.
You want Pikachu?
Dude, love it. Okay, let's see if we can hear it. Okay. Actually, let's just say like share, export song to disk. Pikachu. All right, let's see if we can hear it. Okay, come on. Where do we put it? We put it in Did it end up here? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, it has the thing in it. Hold on. All right, let's take the thing out. So we don't want the metronome. So okay, you have to re-record it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, hold on. Here we go. Hold on.
You want Pikachu?
All right.
I
let's see.
definitely have some Pikachu voices, and I do
Okay.
have a Pikachu stuff.
You do have a great Pikachu voice. Pikachu. All right, let's put it into live. Let's see, where are we at? Where are we at? Games. I said I saved other things here. Games. Okay, let's see. Games. Pikachu.
You want Pikachu?
Love it. Okay. All right, let's put it into our game. Okay. So then here we want to say we want to put audio HTML tag. All right. How do we auto play it when it shows? Okay. So here we go. Audio controls. Oh, we don't actually need controls though. We just want to like play it. Okay. Let's see. So the source is going to be.
Hey,
we're just going to have the MP3.
We need something at the end. You lost.
Oh, you want to do that one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing a deep voice.
Okay.
You lost.
All right. Yeah, let's record it. Let's record it. Okay.
Ready?
Are you ready? Hold on.
Yep.
Everyone. Okay.
You lost.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah.
Okay. All right, let's see. Share, export song to disk.
Let's see
All
what
right. Lost. Okay. All right, this is gonna be great. Okay, actually, I'm gonna rename that other one to win. So move from live game Pikachu to MP3 to public. So 1.mp3. And then I'm gonna move live games lost to public. Okay, so now we should be able to.
Let's listen to the want.
Oh, you want to listen to it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
All right. I moved it. Let's just see if it works from in here. Okay, so game.
I have great accents to Pokemon.
Oh, you have great accents for Pokemon. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so did I say win or one? Public. All right, so public 1.mp3. Okay, is it going to autoplay? Let's see. So if we refresh our game here. We need, you know what? We need a method. We need a game.one method.
Silent actually.
Oh gosh. Uh-oh, hold on. It doesn't think that we won.
What?
G.letters dot unique.
Because you have to start a new game.
Oh wait, hold on. Dot unique dot length or count. True. Okay, here we go. I don't hear it. Autoplay audio HTML. Let's see. How do we make it autoplay? Do we just have to put autoplay on it? Autoplay. Sure. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Auto.
I would say so.
Okay. Here we go. Ready? Oh, it didn't play. Why is it not playing? Warnings. What is our errors here? 404. We have to restart the server. When we change the public assets, the assets in the public directory, like when we put pictures, when we put MP3s, we got to do it. Ooh, Richard says BG sound. BG sound. Is that? Come on, Rails.
BG sound? What's BG sound?
I don't know, but it's not finding. Oh, you know what? We got to put we have to fully qualify this. I don't hear it. Do you hear it? Okay, BG sound. BG sound tag. Richard coming in hot. Obsolete. This feature is obsolete, but we're totally going to just use it. BG sound loop infinite. Okay, perfect. This is great. All right, so 1.mp3. Oh my gosh, Vim is like, what is this tag? All right, let's see. He says, don't actually BG sound. Okay.
What?
What? Like, yeah. Come on. I wanted to autoplay. All right. Let's just add the controls back.
Command Z like a billion times.
that at least we can just play it and just make sure. Okay, so
You want Pikachu?
okay, so how do we get that to play automatically? Play MP3 automatically when HTML loads. I have to say loop?
You have to say whoop.
Audio source loop. Oh, okay, here we go. Sure. When the page loads, get my element by ID. Does that need to be the audio tag? Probably, right? Sound. Sure. I'm just gonna name it sound, and then like if you lose, we're gonna also call it sound. All right, here we go. Failed because the user didn't interact with the document first. Okay. What? I don't want to interact with the document. I want to just do it.
Anyone have any comments about how we could code this? Anyone have comments? Anyone?
B3. Gosh.
Anyone?
Come on. How do you? Okay, so flags autoplay. Choose no gesture is required. No. Okay. Autoplay. Sound. Aw. Okay. This is actually good. Like I really don't like it when things load and they just start playing.
Wait a minute. What are we even using? Actually, let's try something. Let's look on the web and then look for the bestest way to do it.
Failed to execute create object URL on URL. No function was found that matched that signature payload. Oh gosh. Okay. Can I just set this to like string? Source of null. Not read property load of null. Oh, this is called sound. Failed because the user didn't interact with the document first.
We don't want to interact with the document.
We
hey,
don't.
We got another one.
See whether you won. Oh, okay. Then reveal the Pikachu and okay, yeah, okay, all right. I could see that.
Reveal the Pikachu.
All right, okay.
It's like we need some reveal from Stripe.
Huh? Richard is from Stripe. Yeah, Richard is from Stripe.
What I mean by reveal is like a Stripe meeting.
A Stripe meeting? We need to have like a Zoom call to figure out how to play the audio.
Oh yeah, it's not the same Zoom call.
All right, I like his idea. So we have to say like we just add a button that's like see if you won. And then when you click on this,
I think I need some comments. Any comments? We need some comments for sure.
then we reveal this thing. So yeah, so we're gonna say see if you won. And then when you click on this, so C button, C, and then if when C button clicked, then can we do this?
Uh-huh.
All right, hold on. Let's text mom and see if she'll make us lunch.
And what we want.
Could we request lunch, please? Okay. See what mom says. All right. So we don't want to get, do we want to get element by ID? Yeah. Okay. So sound, audio tag. Here we go.
Oof, I am tired.
Are you
Just
tired?
saying.
Okay.
It's like I've been.
Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. This is it.
If you want.
Yep. Richard was right. All right. So we're going to remove the controls. Okay, cool. All right. This is great. This is great. So then
What if
here we
it
just say
lost?
like if game.1, then we put this thing. Else we put this other thing. Lost. If you won. Okay. And then we could also here we could put another picture of Pikachu.
Then we could put a picture of Team Rocket if you didn't win.
No, we'll just put another picture of.
Oh, I said I heard a.
You did. What she says. Sure. You can request all you like. Okay, mom doesn't want to make us lunch. Display, or let's see, style is like display none. And then we can say
No.
end pick dot style is set equal to display block. Something? I don't know. Does that work? No. All right, okay. All right. So we need to lose a game though. Okay. So games new. Let's create a new game. We're gonna play one player. My word list. Start game.
You lost.
Oh, oh gosh. Okay.
Immediately.
Yeah, it's like immediately it just showed up. Okay, so that one is working for some reason. I don't know what's up with lost. Okay, so else if at game dot lost. We only want to show it if game was lost. So game, we need to add the lost method, which is this thing. Okay, so the game is over if you've either won or lost. Okay. All right, so the secret. Uh-oh. What's up? Why are you so sad? Else, elif. Oh gosh, this is Ruby. Elzif. Typo. End pick versus end pick. End dash pick. Oh, nice. Thank you. Gosh, this is great. Okay. All right. So the secret word is and. We know it's and. So let's guess let's guess X, Y. Okay, we should autofocus. Let's autofocus it when it reloads so that the focus is there. Okay, so H, J, K, L, M, N, O, B, Q, R. Okay. All right. So it totally works, but not like I don't know what's up with that. It's like one in MPEG and not in the other one's not in MPEG or something. I don't know. That was cool though. That worked, right?
But we need to get the villains out now.
We do need to get the villains out. Okay,
Well,
are we ready?
We can do instead of X as a random villain.
Okay. Okay, so if the game is over, we want to show. We also want to show like a restart. Ahref is like games/new restart. Okay, restart. What? Go away. Okay.
I
All right.
problems like the hand scratch.
You did?
Once. Yeah.
Okay. So the word again is and. A N D.
You want Pikachu?
I love it.
Reset.
Restart.
You want
Oh gosh.
Pikachu?
Why does it keep doing that? Okay, so I think we want to maybe just comment this out. Like, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Something's up with that. So we gotta like we should add some more word lists.
My first word list and press it.
Yeah, so like we could add more words to it. So let's remove the game, the secret game. Or yeah, let's remove the secret word so that when we start our game, we don't see it anymore. Secret word.
And then can I play it? And then can
Yeah, do you want to try
And
it?
then I want to do it.
You want to try it? Okay.
But
All right.
we
So.
haven't been focusing on 2 players.
Oh, you're right. Hold on. And also, wait, we need to figure out the villain thing. All right, let's figure out the villain thing first. Okay.
And then the 2-player thing.
And then the 2-player thing. Yes. Yeah. We need to figure out a way to like add players.
Wait, look,
So-
let's press 0 players.
So I think I'm changing my mind about this whole API, villains API. Like I think when we try to make a move, we should just create a villain and store their name and their picture in the incorrect move. So let's do that. Rails G migration, add
And then we can do crocodile and then see if we
villains to move.
can.
So move. Okay. Oops. Add villains to move. So we want to add a column to the moves table called incorrect name and incorrect
This has been 1 hour.
URL. Yeah, it's been an hour 47. Thank you everyone from following along.
Hey.
Yes, I still have autoplay. Richard is right. We still have autoplay.
It's really cool.
All right, so we've got our incorrect name and our incorrect move, or our incorrect URL. Break DB migrate. Okay, so we're gonna migrate the database, and then when we create a move, should we hit the API from the model or from the controller? What do you think?
I think model.
You think the model? What about you? Think the model or the controller?
The controller.
Okay, tell me why you guys think we should hit the API from the model or from the controller.
I don't know actually.
We don't know what they do. We don't know if they do that much.
Okay, yeah. So the model is a class that just like is made to be working with those entities that are in the database, those resources in the database. Okay. In this case, we probably should actually create a separate class for wrapping up the like create character content thing. But I'm just gonna put it in the move. Okay, so like before. Yeah, it's okay. So before validation on create, we want to set the character. All right, let's go back to our villains controller, and we'll just like cut all this stuff over here. And we'll call it generate character. Characters.sample. Okay. And we should probably put our client, whatever. This is fine. This is totally cool.
Let's see if it works.
All right, so what we want to do is before validation, we want to get a character, generate character. And then we want to put their name, self.incorrect name is equal to char name, and self.incorrect URL is equal to char thumb URL, I think, something like that. Cat villains.json.
What time
Type
is
JQ
Dude, it's only 12:01.
dot 0 pipe to dot name. That'll definitely give us the name, and then dot thumbnail.
Okay, I have my thumbnail out.
Thumbnail. Okay, so then we have thumbnail, and it has a path, and we need to like join these. Char thumbnail extension dot join. Path and extension. Okay, so just for fun, let's try to go into the Rails console, and we'll create a new move. And when we create the move, we would expect move.create, game ID is 1, letter is Z. We expect it to hit the API and save the incorrect name. Okay, cool. Incorrect name is forgotten one, and the incorrect URL is this thing in, let's see. M is move.last. M.incorrect URL. Is that going to let us actually see? Oh, you know what I didn't do? The extension needs a period. So we need to join these on period. So that means like stick the path. So the path is this part, and the extension is this part, and we need to combine them together, but we want a period in between.
Yeah.
Okay. We also have like a bunch of validation that we should probably do. That is, oh, epic! Look at that.
Wait,
Is that, who is that?
Don't know.
Daredevil, I think, maybe. Move.last. Yeah, it's Daredevil. Cool. All right, so that looks like it's going to work. All right, so now we've got our moves. So if it's incorrect, if the move is incorrect, which the move doesn't actually know about, it just now knows that like if it was an incorrect move, then it should like, yeah, exactly. Cool.
Someone alternate up here.
Okay, so game show. So when we get when the move is incorrect, instead of just showing an X, right? We want to show the moves move.incorrect URL. This is going to be inside an image tag. All right, so let's go back to our game, and we're going to create a new game, and the word is the, so let's guess X, and incorrect name equals for move.
Hey,
we need to restart the database or the server since we changed the database.
I know something we need to do.
What do we need to do?
We have to flash the flash airs.
Do we?
Yeah, we have to flash the airs so it doesn't show it. If we don't want to show the air, we have to type in flash airs.
What's putting Puma?
Puma is the name of the web server that we use.
I thought Puma.
I think you're right, Logan. We need to flash the errors if it's. Oh, epic. Awesome.
I don't know who that is.
Neither do I, but we need to make it smaller, right? But doesn't she look like she's going to definitely smash?
Yeah.
She's going to smash Pikachu to smithereens. You're going to smash him to smithereens. Okay.
I don't like that.
All right. So we need to like, if it's incorrect, like every time it's incorrect, I think we need to like make like little squares, right? Like across the top. So let's make a div with the class bad guy. Or no, villain, right?
Villain.
I'm hungry.
I know you're hungry, bud.
Are you dead?
I'm a little bit hungry, but we're so close to the end here. I just want to like wrap it up and then we can just be done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So we've got our villain. We probably need their name too. So move.incorrect name.
Medoc is which one I want. Or Ultron. Ask me Medoc or Ultron. What
This
can
one-
you choose, Dad?
Or Thanos.
Who's Thanos?
He's a powerful glove.
All right.
Strandman. Or Pikachu.
Grayson, how do I style the div that's inside. How do I style this image that's inside of a div?
I don't know.
Or the div that's inside? Okay, so okay, it's a sibling, right?
Mhm.
Or no, it's a child. It's a child.
What child?
Okay, so then it's going to be like width, like 30 pixels or something. Okay, that's too small.
Valkyrie Ultimate.
Oh no. Okay, so then we should probably also print out the letter, the incorrect letter, right? We know what we guessed.
So they don't do it again.
Yeah.
Valkyrie.
Valkyrie Ultimate. Okay, so that's the name of the character, but that's too small. 30, let's try 60. Okay, still too small.
How about
90. Closer. Okay.
No,
And then I
do
think
120.
120?
Yeah, 120 for the width.
Okay. 120.
120.
All right. So we've got Valkyrie Ultimate and we know the letter was X. And so what else do we want to style there? Text, no, font size, like 2 EM. And then we should probably put like a border. Border. I forget all the things that go into a border. Inspect. All right, so I just want to make like a line around it, right? Like border. Border. What color should the border be? Logan, you pick a color, Logan.
Can I?
I need to look at a color chart.
A color chart.
Like remember that color thing?
Then I'll just.
How about blue?
Yeah.
And then
violet.
Grayson, you get to pick the border style.
Oh,
Dotted, dashed, double, groove, hidden. What?
I'm gonna do.
Ooh, that's dotted. Dashed.
Dash. straight down.
Groove.
Dash.
Inset. What do you think?
Wait, can I choose it with your mouse?
No.
Yeah.
Border style. Okay, you pick it. Pick it with the mouse, quick.
Double blue, hidden inherent. What's these?
Those are kind of like meta styles.
Let me see.
Solid is the most common. Should we do solid? Okay, cool. And then border. Oh, Logan, there is a color picker here. Actually, you can do that too. You click on that thing, and then you get to pick the color with all those controls. Oh, pink, blue. I think since it's a villain, maybe red would be good. What do you think?
No, how about purple?
Ooh,
Black.
transparent blue. Interesting. Got your tongue out there and everything. All right. Nice.
Okay,
But look, you
Ooh, that's a
you
good
can
one.
change this part.
That's a good one. Okay. Solid.
Versus
All right. Red.
Red.
There you go. Cool. All right. So we've got a red border around our thing. That looks cool. So let's add that to our style. And then what do we need to do now is I think I want it just to be like a little box, right?
Yeah.
Width, 100, like 200 px. There we go. So
I know, but is it gonna do?
let's do another. Let's do another guess. Like why? Ooh, there we go.
zombie.
Okay, so then we want to make it display
Zombies.
inline block. There we go. Okay.
Let's try another.
Which letter do you want to try now?
Okay,
E.
that's in.
That's correct. That's good.
How about we do Q?
Q. Hit in the API. Trying to think of. Oh, Green Goblin.
Ultimate. The
Ultimate.
Green
Epic.
Goblin was trying to defeat Spider-Man.
Okay, so let's make the letter, or let's call this one class letter.
Let's try new. Let's try some more.
Let's
How
try.
about T?
T.
That's correct.
Yes.
Let's try 8.
T. 8. 8. Ultra Adaptoid.
Image not found.
Where? Oh, okay, that's fine. All right, H.
You are Pikachu.
Nice. Okay.
Yay!
All right. So I think we have like a working thing. Okay. So let's go back. Let's what do we want to do? What do we want to do? You guys ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not have lunch yet. Initial seeds.rb. Okay, let's make a third grade word list. Third grade spelling words. Okay. And then we're going to make a seed file. $70. Give me a break. Okay, printable worksheets. No, I just want like a text file with all the third grade spelling words.
I'm ready for lunch.
Okay, benchmark. Charlotte's Web. Third grade community spelling list. Third grade literature. Okay, word list text. Word list text. Words. I literally just want like the text of the words. So I think this is going to be all the English words. We don't want all the English words yet. Okay, here we go. This looks promising. Bingo. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. This is great. Okay. So I'm just going to copy all of those.
Oh,
And then we're going to make a words equals
Command V.
this. Command V, says the boy. Okay.
Whoa, there's a lot.
Okay.
Can
So
we try to
hold on.
Now delete the secret word so we can try to guess it.
I think W% might actually work here. Yeah, so %W.
I'm hungry. When I have lunch.
Okay. Hey, these look like good words. Okay. So words. Oh, let's say word list dot create. Name is third grade words. Words is words.
And back, I was checking if Mom made his lunch and no.
We didn't say yes, Grayson. We said if that we wanted lunch yet.
Oh, let's see. Okay, so it's still doing its seed thing. I bet it's going to have a little trouble with putting that into the database. We'll see. Word list.last. Oh, it worked. It totally worked. Word list.last. Nice. Okay, so here we go. Now, seed words. Heroku apps create Hangman or Pokemon. Pokeman? We call it Pokeman?
Yeah, call it a Pokeman.
Hang poke.
Oh, hey Pokeba. Oh, hey Pokey.
Okay, get push Heroku master. All right, now we just cross our fingers.
Cross fingers.
Okay, while that's going, let's make a new thingy and then go over here. We have to like set our master key. Come on. Okay. Cat config / master.key. And we want to put, let's see, how to set master.key Heroku. Rails master key. So we can say Heroku config : set that thing equals this thing. And that should make it so that Heroku can unlock our credentials and then use our API keys. So we did that off screen. You can't really see that, but if you do Heroku config : set and then the name of your environment variable with the value, then you can publish it. We're almost ready. We're almost ready. And then we're going to have Hangman, which is Pokemon / Marvel themed, that you can play with all 3rd grade words.
Super cool.
Yeah.
And you're gonna eat lunch after that?
Yeah, we're going to eat lunch in like 10 minutes. Sound good?
Since I'm
Whenever you want.
starving.
Ready when you are.
Oh, what did we make for lunch?
The usual.
Okay. Do you want to make a cameo?
Strawberry.
You want to come in and make a cameo? It's actually like for the audience, it's really super cramped in here because we have like all the chairs and everything and all this stuff to be able to be on camera is a little tight. It's a tight squeeze here, folks. It's a tight squeeze, but we've had a couple of consistent viewers, and Richard has been giving us lots of pointers
Awesome.
remotely, so it's been nice. Yes. All right, we're gonna. She says, "Keep up the good work, boys." What should we do?
Eat lunch.
I think she's gonna be super impressed by
How about we
your
play?
custom
How about we test
audio.
it? Let's test it.
Test.
Should we-
Test it.
Well, it's still publishing. We're waiting for Webpacker to finish its thing, to do its thing. Come on, Webpacker. Or Heroku. Like it should be on, we should be able to go to like hangpoke.herokuapp.com and see it. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is going to be our app once it's done deploying. Deploy means like take the code that we wrote on our own computer and put it out onto a server that's running on the internet so that when people use running on the internet so that when people use our application, they don't need to use our computer. We can turn our computer off and they can still use it because it's going to run on.
Did you delete the secret word?
No, it's over there, so they can't see it.
Like, did you delete the secret word from the page?
Well, let's check. Okay, if we want to restart.
You won.
Oh, there's definitely a bug. That is for sure a bug, but that's okay. So 3rd grade words, start game. We didn't delete it. Secret word is them. All right, let's take off.
Oh, that's a lot of words.
Yeah,
Zillion.
I know. You should know them though.
Yeah.
Or I mean, you're only in 2nd grade, but I still think you should know them.
Okay, can I take your chair when I'm?
Where is it? Okay, so you guys want to turn, right?
Yeah.
You want to turn at the game? Okay, so we need to create a new game. All right, let's take this off of here.
Come on, Hangman.
New game. How many human players? 3rd grade words, start game.
Okay, that's me.
Okay,
Okay.
all right, so
Oh,
So what's happening here?
all right, still going. Webpacker still deploying. Let me get out of the way. All right.
And then I get to play.
Okay, Grayson, you go first.
I'll think.
T.
Yes.
You can also hit enter, I think.
No, I got Ultron.
Oh,
Because I got C. What has 4 words? Oh, F. F. No, retro girl. We can't find her. Image not found. Oh, more. That's a good one. See if that works. Guess.
Grayson! You got it wrong!
Made sure my click. Okay, there's got to be an O. Oh, I pressed 0. Bullseye. Film menu, ultimate. Door. Was in next Avengers. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, I
Dad!
lose.
Oh,
He's
man.
gonna win! He's gonna win!
Oh, man.
See.
Why?
Why?
Oh yeah, why?
Oh, man.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's gotta.
D.
I gotta get worse.
Oh man.
Oh
Hey.
gosh.
You can use your
Oh.
Game over.
3.
3.
Go. T.
Challenge.
Oh, you lost. Hold on. All right. Now it's Logan's turn.
Okay, start game.
All right. Start game.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Start game.
Start
Okay,
game.
Logan, you get to play.
Oh, there's 3 words.
3 letters.
T.
The 3-letter
I
word.
hope there's a T. Where's T? Where's T? I think there's a T. T.
Okay.
Press return or guess.
Ooh,
Johnny Storm.
Johnny Storm. All right.
There's
Okay.
no images.
Come on, the
Hey,
fate.
A, definitely
The
A.
fate of Pikachu is in your hands, son.
A. A.
A.
A.
All right, play A. There we go.
Yes.
Ooh,
No!
skin. Okay, how about
Dog. D.
D? Okay. Ooh, I have an idea too. For our move, we could have the name of the villain or the name of the character start with a letter that we pass.
Yeah, we could do that.
D.
D.
Yeah, sure, D.
Press return. You can just press return.
The one above that. There you go. Ooh. Try R. Try R.
R.
Yeah, R.
Wait. Why do you think it's R?
Just try R.
Yeah, R. It has to be my goodest luck. Well, R. Go.
Ooh, try E. Try E. Try E. E.
E.
The
Well,
letter E.
it's not the.
No, but
How do we know? Just try E.
But I did T, but it didn't work.
Okay, but E is in a lot of words. The letter E, the vowel E, it's a very common letter, right? All right, let's see. Oh no, double E.
Iron
We
Man,
can't allow
Iron Man
that.
3, the official game.
All right, we need to figure out how to
Which
like
works?
limit so that they don't double.
Iron Man 3, the official game.
Yeah,
What is
apparently.
that?
I don't know. All right, okay.
I
What else
got
you got?
one.
What else you got?
One more thing.
Okay, one more.
This is my hope. What's in a ton of words?
How about like R? Or you already did
How
that.
about do C?
C. Okay, yeah, C.
Croc.
Well, that's only for.
You know what we should do is we should make it so that let me make some changes because we can make it so the words have to be like at least 7 letters long or something or 5 letters so that we can
Crocodile.
so that at least
I'm
we
gonna
have
take a lunch break.
wait what
Not now.
get back here son. All right, so
I'm on a lunch break.
all right then let's see if we're okay, so it's deployed. Then we want to say like Heroku run rake db migrate. It should migrate the database on Heroku. And then we want to run Heroku run rake db seed, and that will create the 3rd grade list for us. And Heroku run rake db seed. That'll make the database for us.
After this thing, I need to tell mommy to play it.
Okay. And then what I was thinking was we should do Rails G migration, add min length to game. Add
Can we please?
column games min length.
What's it doing right now?
Integer default
Dad, what are you doing?
4. I'm making it so that when you create a game, you can set the minimum length.
How much time?
Min length. value 4. Step is 1. Max is 20.
What's the time?
Min is
Grayson?
3.
It's 1:06.
Then we create a game. When we were picking the secret word, we should say word equals word list.words.sample if word.length is less than min length.
Hey, here's Pikachu. I'm not fair. Here's a Pikachu.
You know, actually, I think I got it. You just have to race to the camera really good.
Oh,
No, can I get
it's
the
one. It's 1:07. That's what my phone with Pikachu on says. And that was tough, Pikachu.
Okay.
And he has motorcycle glasses.
Secret word is snug. That did not work.
Snug?
Word list. Okay, I mean, actually, maybe it did work. Word list is word list.last.
No, let's go to some. No, yeah, we have
Rubber.
to do like crocodile then. I won't do crocodile.
Cool. Okay, this is good. This is good.
Can I play now?
Hold on.
No, I did play since you tested the last time.
And you just tested it.
Well, guess what? When you all right, so minimum length, let's say it's 5. Third grade words. Start the game. There we go. Now we get lots of letters. So R, S, T, L, S, T, E. Okay, S, T, E, something, something, E, something, R. S, T,
You already
E.
got R on the
Oh,
top.
I guessed R twice. No. Okay, S, T, E, A. Oh. Oh.
Try to guess till you can do it.
Oh, gots to be right, I think.
It's gotta know.
Steal it.
I. Oh gosh, G or how about H? Oh no, S T E something something something.
Eight.
Can you do
H?
something with you?
Okay, yeah. R S T L N E N. Oh, what? A E I O U. Oh no. What word is this? S T E something something E. S T something
Try to
something.
do a V.
V?
Yeah. V.
Oh gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, last guess, last guess. M. STEM. Oh, you lose.
Restart.
All right, hold on. Oh, let's see.
Restart.
Hold on. Let's see if this
Dad, I know why there's a bug when you press restart.
why?
Since you have to restart the music. And
Oh,
it'll restart it.
maybe. Okay,
I
let's
think
see.
that's the bug.
Okay. We're pushing back up to Heroku, and then we'll pull it up on Heroku. Where is it? Okay, let's see if it changed. Refresh. Oh, it doesn't. What? Doesn't exist. / games. There we go. No. Okay, here we go. New game. All right. Third grade words. Start game. Oh, this says the secret word. H. A.
Why?
Y.
You are Pikachu.
Okay. So we're redeploying. We're redeploying. Here Are you videotaping?
Maybe baby is cool.
Cool.
Wait, your name's Christian.
Okay, boys. I think we're almost ready. All right. This is hangpoke.herokuapp.com. Domains.google.com. Because I feel like we should put it on Logan's domain, right? On
Yeah.
logi.rocks. Let's see. Logi.rocks manage. Okay, DNS. Forward DNS to Heroku Google. So we want to add a new subdomain. The domain is going to be hang. Yeah, hang. You can get that, right? Hang or poke. Should we call it poke? Poke. And this is going to be a CNAME, which points to Roku. Where's the official Heroku custom domain? I think it's just like Heroku domains add. Heroku domains. Yeah. So Heroku domains add hang.logi.rocks.
Putting block tabs. Why aren't you deleting them?
Because I'm trying to go fast. I know that you're
Please do Command W.
Command W. Okay. I can do Command W to get rid of it. Okay.
Command W.
Okay, so here we go. Custom domains. Okay, so this is where we want it to point. Rugged Walrus 07 something, something.
Rugged Walrus.
Okay, here we go. Save. All right. So now if we go to like poke.logi.rocks. Is it hang or poke? It's poke. I called it hang. All right, hold on. We got to edit that. Edit. It should be hang. Hang.logi.rocks. Nope.
Hope.
Heroku domains wait.
Oh, we said
Hang.
it should be hope, and then we press enter.
Hang.logi.rocks. All right. Well, it could take up to 48 hours, so we're not going to wait for it, but we can still go to hangpoke.herokuapp.com, which I will now send to everyone in the world, and they can now play our super fun game, hangpoke.herokuapp.com. All right, yeah. If you wanna check it out, head
Can
over
you
to
send it?
hangpoke.herokuapp.com.
Can you send it to mommy? So
Yeah, I
she
will.
can play?
All right. Thanks everyone for watching. You guys have any farewells, any plugs? No? Okay. Everyone is so hungry for lunch.
Farewell.
Everyone's so hungry for lunch. They're all running away. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed
Bye.
some entertaining hacking around with the boys. All right. We'll see you later. Cheers.